Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue create our custom hook, and if you didn't see my last video you can go to my channel. In the last video we created use event listener, and today we're going to create another custom hook in React. This time we'll create a use click outside hook. This hook helps us detect clicks outside a specified element, which is useful for closing modals, dropdowns, and other interactive components. Let's get started. First, we'll open our code and create new file. Create use click outside and add extension JS. Okay, and open this file. And today we need only one React hook. We need use effect. Import our hook from React, and now we can create our use click outside hook. Create new const and call this const use click outside, and create function. And this function will be get two arguments, ref our element and callback function. Okay, and now we can use our use effect. Create function and array with dependencies. This time we have two dependencies, our ref and our callback. And first we need to create function for handle click outside. Create this function, copy and pass here, and this function will have one argument. We can name this argument event because it will be our event. And now we need to create condition. If we have ref current and ref current contains our event, we need to call our callback. Okay, and now we need to create event. We'll be using document add event listener and use event mouse down. And the second parameters will be our handle click outside function. Thanks to this approach we'll get our event here. Okay, and next step we need to think about optimization, and we can remove our event when our component will be unmounted. Create return, create also function and copy this event, but change add because now we don't need add, we need remove. Okay, our hook is ready, and now we need to add export. Okay, now let's see how we can use this hook in our React component. Open our app component and we need two hooks, use state and use ref. And now let's create something like a drop down. Create a new state, and this state will be named open. It will be boolean and we can use is open. And also add set is open. Okay, and use in our use state default add false because our dropdown will be closed. Okay, and also let's initialize our ref. Create new ref and call our hook use ref. Okay, and now we can use our hook use click outside. Call our hook, and also don't forget to import this hook, and like you remembered we need to add two arguments, our ref and callback function. and all time when user will be click outside our element, will be close our drop down using set is open and add false. Okay, and now let's create markup. Create new div. We won't create any styles, we'll create only simple markup. And create button, add event on click, and add set is open. Okay, and also add text, create condition is open. If it will be true, we add text close. If it will be false, we add text open. Okay, and also add drop down. Okay, and also let's create some content. First create condition. If our dropdown is open, we need to show our content. Create our content, it will be div, and also connect our ref here, and we can create some styles in our markup. Create border, 1 pixel solid black, padding, 10 pixel margin. Okay, and let's add some content inside our elements. Create paragraph tag and add some text. We can now write this is a drop down menu, click outside to close it. Okay, and let's look at the window. Here is our drop down and let's try to open. Here is our content, and like you see, when I click inside our content, nothing changed. But if I'll click outside, it doesn't work. Let's look at the code. I made mistake. We need to add event target, of course. Okay, let's try again. And now when I click inside our content, nothing changed, but if I'll click outside our content, our drop down is closed. Like you see, it's very useful hook because we often need to create interactive elements like drop down, different selectors or modal window and other elements. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.